Okay, it is time to get back on the dump truck. I got the transmission back on Monday, so today's Thursday. The last piece of the puzzle that I was waiting for was the flywheel, because the original one, they could not turn it. So I had to buy a new one. Long story short, it came in yesterday morning. I went and got it today. This is everything to finish out the project. Clearly, this is the transmission. So this is my transmission. I just took it in and they rebuilt it. So they put all new everything. You know, don't skimp. If it's in there, it can be replaced, replace it. Got all the new air valves. One back there. Looks like the yoke is the same. So new output shaft, new input shaft, all new bearings, everything. Even got this arm for the clutch. This is where the linkage on the truck meets up and it activates the clutch. The hole for that arm there, where the linkage on the truck side comes in, was almost wore out, like, you know, was gonna be a bad deal. Here's a new tower, sits on top of the transmission. You connect your shifter to it. All the bushings and whatnot in here that is supposed to be tight was floppy sloppy. I'm telling you, we're gonna be pretty much driving a different truck this year. It's gonna be great. Got the oil. 50 weight synthetic. That's what the shop recommended, so that's what's going in it. In this box is the flywheel. Something big in there, something else big in there. Okay, look, that's the PTO, I'm pretty sure. This is my hydraulic pump. This is air actuator, so this is going to slide the valve on the hydraulic pump. That way we know it's going full swing both ways. And we got a new PTO and a pump valve selector. It'll probably take me longer to figure out how to hook that up and that up than it will put this thing back in. I want to unbox some of this stuff for you guys and look at it, see what it looks like all new and shiny before we go shoving it under this truck, so it'll never be that way again. This looks like it's upside down. Nope. Ugh. It's heavy. I'm gonna look at the old one real quick, make sure it's the same. There's no dogs in it. That's good. So I'll have to fuck around and take the ones out of this. That's the new one. Got the ring gear on it. It's all shiny. Somebody tell me I gotta machine this before I can use it too or something. Okay. You see these little bastards right here. There's 6 of them all the way around that. They poke out right here. So you can smash that and drive it out. And then hopefully put it in the new one. So this is the PTO. Coupling lube, spline, lubricant, hardware, box full of other shit. Son of a bitch. So this has a brand new PTO switch. That was the airline and the on-off switch for the PTO. That means I have 3 of those now because the truck still has one in it. It's kind of crummy and wore out, so I could do with a new one. That tower control thing that I bought has one in it, so there's 2 brand new ones. I didn't know this one came with it, because what else comes in the switch? New lever for the up and down. So that, look at it. Fancy though, that'll be done being fancy within a day. Why is all this stuff so heavy? I better not be gaining any weight on my tear for the truck. This is the hydraulic pump. The bag is ripping. Dump, pump, wet line, plumbing. Where's the old one? Let's go look at it. I can go back in the box. Well, maybe not quite yet. I want to look at the actuator for that. So I'm switching to air instead of cable. This is above my pay grade, yo. This is a Byers cylinder air shift. I can see how it goes. Oh shit. This pump's gonna ride around on the back of the PTO just like that. But I'm gonna tip it on its side so you know what's going on. So you can see maybe. That moves. That's the valve. Right? That's up or down. Here's the shift cylinder. Airlines come in here. It goes on here. I'm gonna take these 4 bolts off, take this house off. I don't know how it goes yet. I gotta read the directions. See down in there, this comes out. There's a clip in there. This whole piece probably comes out because it's got to slide over this, and I'm guessing a detent or something goes through here. Otherwise, this ain't gonna do nothing. Get it? This contraption. This is a 2-in-1. All right, so I got in the PTO box that came with a new switch. Who makes this? Byers too? Yep. So that's pretty nice unit. I'll trade that out for the unit that's in the truck. That's everything we got on this round. I take that back. My clutch is right there. I ain't opening that up until it's time because there's a lot of parts in there. I don't want to find out that one of them takes a walk. So far, I got the new flywheel installed. This is the inner and outer of the old pilot bearing that gives you, that's how it came out. The balls are just kind of laying in the center, bebopping around, and that's all the noise I heard. I thought it was a throw-out bearing, but it was the pilot bearing. Clutch brake, trans brake, whatever you want to call that. There's the new flywheel, all bolted in. Got her torqued down. You see the pilot bearing in the center. It's it's all the way in for sure. I still have to spray this down with the some brake clean or something and get the anti-corrosive coating on there off of there. You can see them dogs every so often there. I guess they help center that second contact plate. I had to knock them out of the old flywheel and then put them back in here. They went in here real smooth. You can see right there. They actually stick out of the outside of the flywheel. That's gonna do it for now.